credit card bill. Guys, pay your credit card bills. If you have not paid them, prepare your credit card bills. Let's go. That's a freaking spider web. Are you kidding me? I'm not touching that. Yeah, this is my morning, guys. Wait, where's my computer? It's right there. Okay. I don't know what to touch it with. But now it's on this. Alright. Whatever. Alright, let's go ahead and get to work. Good morning, guys. Or good afternoon, or whatever time of the day, year, month it is. I finally got the damn exhaust on, and oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot how long the car hasn't been on the channel for. Like, it's really been a while since the car has been on the channel. Like, this thing has gotten lowered. They didn't have a video on that. Freaking got this full exhaust on by ECS, which I believe I'm one of the first people to actually have the exhaust. So yeah, that's a plus. And until it gets hot, it rubs on the transmission mount. So yeah, nice. Yeah, sadly, until it gets warm, it rubs on the transmission mount because of the way that's the way the shop mounts it. I should have told them, like, you know, when you put an exhaust on these, you gotta make sure it's not hitting the transmission mount. You gotta, like, that truck was loud. You gotta mount it like a little bit lower. So, but I know I'll fix it myself, honestly. But just since I already know how to do it, know what to do already. So yeah, I hate this bump. Ooh. Okay, but yeah, it sounds pretty good. Just I did not know my car was already warm. Okay, let's go. Sounds really good up top. Super good up top. Is he getting over? No. This thing sounds beautiful. But yeah, the car has changed a lot. So I had the H&R Lowering Springs on the car now, and yeah, full exhaust. That's the last time the car has been on the channel. And which you guys already know, the JXB Driveshaft bushing. But I'm pretty sure that, I don't even know. I didn't really record me doing that because I was going to, but you know, my regular teacher wasn't in my class that I usually have, so like, I didn't want to, you know, I didn't know what his views were on me recording a YouTube video in the class, so yeah. Ooh, we might have a race contender today. I took this out on a rip last night. You guys will see that part. That'll probably be the intro to this video or after this part of the video. But oh my gosh, it's just rubbing on the transmission mount right now. Jeez. What the hell? Yeah, I guess he didn't know it was 2 lanes. Damn, buddy, you could have been cut over, you know? Alright, looks like we might actually have a race contender today. Possibly. It depends on which way he takes. I don't know if he's going to take the parkway, or if I even will make the light. Come on now, come on. morning races, baby. Always the best. Always the best. And he's taking the parkway. Woo! Let's go. It's woo-wee. Let's go. I'm telling you, bro, my day to work is always a fucking racetrack. Always a racetrack. Even with my exhaust mount rubbing on my downpipe. Always a freaking racetrack, bro. I mean, I wish ECS would have noticed, like, oh yeah, when you put a downpipe or anything onto the B6 platform, it rubs on the freaking transmission mount. Or it makes the exhaust rub with a transmission mount. Like, hello. You guys should know about this. You know, let's just mount it a little bit lower. Well, let's just have the exhaust mount, like, you know, a little bit lower. Just so to make sure that it doesn't, you know, rub and annoy the customer. But it's all cool. Oh, I think the Q60 went the other way. Oh, man. I know it ends right there. Alright, but. Good morning. Thank you. Alright, let's catch up to that Q60 again. Watch out for these bumps. I just love the way it sounds. Sometimes I don't even want to talk. It just sounds so good. So good. I think this got 2.0 turbo, boys. Man, this thing is scrumptious, and the Q60's back behind me. Alright, so we got a 2.0 turbo in front and a Q60 behind. It actually doesn't sound bad too with the windows rolled up. You can actually still hear it. It sounds really good still. Once some traffic opens up, we'll go ahead and have some fun with the Q60. Just gotta wait till some traffic opens up, honestly. What window is still open? I think my roof is open. Probably waiting like, let's go. Bro, you need to calm down. Yeah, he's on my, he's coming up on me now. Alright. Let's hear tunnel run. First tunnel run with the exhaust. Oh, I'm so proud. Oh, my window was open. I didn't even notice. He's getting over. I gotta get over too, though. I'm not gonna lie. Got me over, buddy? I love the little pops it gives off when you let off. Alright, bye-bye Q60. I gotta go this way, buddy. Yes, I have been cursed. My exhaust is hitting the transmission mount, so that's nice. I don't know if it's a copper one. Oh, when it's not hitting the transmission mount, it sounds pretty good. Tom don't wanna go? You don't wanna go? Come on. Nah, he don't want it. He don't want it. Oh yeah, she definitely pulls harder now though. Definitely pulls harder. Alright, it's kinda hot. I need to turn the AC back on at 2.5. It's dumb hot. Maybe pulls though. Alright, 5th gear drone. I mean, it drones when you get in it, but it's not droney like right now. I'm like where I would be like throttle-wise if I was like cruising up to college. Not the worst drone ever. I mean, there's drone. I mean, obviously there's no resonators. Of course, it's gonna be drone, but it's not that bad at all. Another 4th gear pull. Definitely feels better though. Definitely feels good. Here's a motorcycle. Shee. That looks so scary. Like, man was lean. I don't know, that junk is dead. He just cut off map cars too. Damn, I should have seen how it sounded under the tunnel. Shit sounds good. I mean, other than it hitting the transmission mount every couple of seconds. Whee! 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 What a fucking meme. I'm dead. Definitely sounds good. Got some crackle, some pop. Also, so definitely not. That's a cop. That's a cop. Telling you, but the cops always catch me after I'm done hooning around. Always, never fails, never fails. Just went undisclosed speeds, and then the cops went past. So yeah. Definitely does sound good though. Definitely does. Just gotta get that. So basically, when I put on the downpipe, if you guys have B684 and you new to the platform, then when you put on downpipe or exhaust, is this guy like? Are you okay? I guess he's not doing anything. But yeah, when you put on the downpipe or a new downpipe or exhaust, you have to make sure it does not hit the trans mount, because it definitely will hit the transmission mount. Why is it construction everywhere, bro? Like, shit is scary. Ooh. But yeah, so when you put on downpipe especially, well, what I did, honestly, I just didn't hang the middle. I didn't hang the middle hanger. I didn't hang the exhaust to the middle hanger. And then I just took off the middle clamp in the middle that's on the mid pipe that connects the downpipe to the mid pipe. I took that middle clamp off, and then so you take that middle clamp off, you bring the exhaust as far down as you can, without, like, not too far, but you know far down enough, without hanging the middle exhaust clamp. Take down, well, exhaust without hanging the middle exhaust hanger. You take down the mid pipe, the little clamp that's in the mid pipe. You take that off. You bring the exhaust down as far as you can. That's, like, safe without you scraping the exhaust and like stuff. And then you just tighten it. So you pull it down to where you see that it's clearing the transmission mount, and just tighten it, and then it stays how it is basically. So honestly, it might be the exact same thing I'm gonna have to do with this exhaust. Just loosen the clamps, bring it all the way down, tighten it, and then yeah, because I'm not about to have my exhaust freaking hitting the freaking transmission mount all the time. See, you can definitely have a conversation with this exhaust. This is not bad at all. Like, it's like not that much drone, like, at all. But then again, I'm only in 4th gear. Let's check 5th. Still, it's not like it's like too much. She's still slow. Doesn't have a tune yet. Definitely does sound good though. Let's hit some tunnels. Like when it gets in boost is really when it really starts to freaking cook. You see the shifts? You see the shifts? You see the fucking shifts? You see the shifts? Come on! Dude, this shit sounds fucking good. Like, seriously good. It has a nice little tone to it. Come on, you see the shifts? You see the fucking shifts? You see the shifts, bruh. You see the shifts. Stop playing with me. Woo! Fucking lit. This truck sounds so good, bro. Oh my gosh, sounds so good. Look at that, discover credit card bill. Guys, pay your credit card bills. If you have not paid them, pay your credit card bills. Let's go, we lit.